Hey everyone, welcome back to Blue Code. In today's video, we're going to create a super user in Django so we can access the admin panel. First, make sure your virtual environment is activated and your Django project is running. Then, in your browser, go to the URL and add /admin at the end. You'll see a message saying you need an account. Let's create one. Let's create one. Once the super user is created, log in with the admin account. To save some time, I've already added a task model to our project. Inside the task model, first, import the user model. Then, we add a foreign key that links each task to a user. We use onDelete equals models.cascade, which means if a user is deleted, all their tasks will be deleted too. Next, we add the following fields. Title, the task title, and is completed, a Boolean field that is false by default, created at, and updated at, to track when the task is created and last updated. Also, we define a stroke function so that tasks show up with a meaningful name in the admin panel. Then, open the admin.py file, import the task model, and register it. Now, go back to the admin panel. From here, we can create, read, update, and delete tasks. We also get access to other admin features and configurations. That's it for this part. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this helpful.